Hello everyone, it's Jack from Vanshades. Today we're fitting window pod H, which is short wheelbase rear quarter on the passenger side. To start, we have two longer tech screws. These ones are 57mm, and these are going to go into this part of the vehicle. Window pod up first. Next we have two of the normal 50mm size. These are going along the bottom edge. Now we're going to face fix some screws on the flat part of the pod at the rear here. So I recommend using a Stanley blade and making a small incision in the carpet, peeling the carpet back, putting a small self-tapping screw into the plastic of the frame, and then just moving the carpet back over afterwards. Don't over tighten the screws, you don't want to break the plastic. And there you go, 1, 2, 3 blind fixings in there, and that's window pod H.